today I can carry the camera. This green thing, monkey, that is going to be hilarious. Mommy, I need that rock. Like you said, but when it doesn't move.
It's fine. I thought the wind was going to blow it over. It's okay.
All right, look. So I got my lighter here.
That's what you get for $1.
It's for $1. It's for $1 though. Only $1. And theirs looked better because theirs was not so windy. By the way.
Rabbit turds.
Rabbit turds. Guys, now look. Now
These are going to be really cool.
That's what you should name your video if you post it. Rabbit.
I'm gonna make some of these at night, which I will do some videos. Be posting them. Sparkler bombs. Jeff's gonna show you how to make sparkler bombs.
No, Jeff's not, because that's a lawsuit waiting to happen. Those things are powerful.
Actually, he's not. He's just gonna do one, but you guys do not have to do them. You can just watch him do one. We got some of these. We got some girls' night out. By the way, we went to Rosie's. And then here's some bottle rockets. Just a few little bottle rockets. We got some of these. We got some bees somewhere. If you want to go to Rosie's, I don't know where it's at. These make black snakes. They're little pills. And then, oh, I don't know where the bees are.
Jeff's not showing little kids how to make sparkler bombs. They are blow your hand off.
Well, Jeff's doing them.
I gotta show Adam though. If he'd like it.
Bees, there's the bees.
They explode so hard when you wrap them in the duct tape, you can't even find the duct tape. Like there's nothing left.
By the way, these are bottle rockets. These are bottle rockets, Jeff. Look, we got a whole pack of bottle rockets right here. These are bottle rockets.
We have a box of bottle rockets.
We got some box of bottle rockets. Woo! We got a box of bottle rockets. These are just normal bottle rockets, but with.
That's what you've been lighting, dude.
Oh.
Those are the black ones.
Can I do them?
Yeah, they're over there in that
right
thing.
here.
I know. All right, you guys are about to see me light. Some of these things are crazy. Hold on, let me
Take
put
your jar out there.
my camera. Alright, there's where the jar is. If you guys can see that. Well, you're about to, because I'm zooming in. For you guys. Alright, guys. So you won't see me for that long, because I run. I run and hide. Where's my lighter? You guys, look. You just need to see how pretty my lighter is. My lighter. So pretty. Okay. So.
Don't hit my truck.
You've seen me do these. You light, you run, and then have fun.
Dud.
No. Did you guys see that smoke?
Here.
I'm doing these black ones, guys. Ah, I'm facing that monkey explosion. What I got faced. And I'd suggest to not be like I am, just go like this. And then run. That way you can get to your safety position.
Dud.
Wait. Not dud.
Not dud.
Not dud. I repeat, not dud. Ah! But I repeat, bee sighting. I repeat, awesome. And I repeat, face.
Just because you're a girl don't mean you can scream like one. Stop propping it up in there. Let it hit the bottom. Yes.
Guys, run. Guys, run.
Nice.
Alright, now I'm doing another black one. These black ones are like really cool. I'm going to shoot that up in the air. out.
Cup it, Gabby.
So
Because
cup
the
it
wind. No. Leave it where it's at.
and cuff it.
Yeah.
Then run, guys.
Fire in the hole.
Where'd it go?
Good question.
Very good question.
Might have took out a bird with that one.
Probably. Guys, no joke. I probably
These
took out a
two.
Stick them together.
Oh, gee, that's
Good idea.
no.
Why?
Well, you need some tape first. You gotta light them both at the exact same time, and then they never fire off at the same time. It's not the lighter, it's you. I'm just saying.
It's you, Jeff. It's you. If it's anything. It's actually the wind.
Fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole! I took out never mind.
It's keeping the birds out of the yard, I can tell you that much.
Just take these together. Guys, these are fun. I'd recommend. Woo! Look at this bottle, Jeff. Smoke's all in it.
It's
dude.
alright.
I know. Whoa!
Crap, we missed this last night too, daggone it.
You can't even like dump the smoke out.
No, it's gonna stay in there. Leave it be. It's fine.
I know. I'm just like experimenting and stuff.
Clear?
Keep the cigar out of the way every time, because
Those aren't bad, these ones.
well, they're good, but they're not amazing. Guys, all this smoke is awesome. Now I'm gonna prop one. Never mind. Oh, I think I'm gonna do one more till later, guys. And then I'm gonna experiment on this bottle and see what the heck.
You do it at night. It's way cooler. There it
Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys one more little quick fun video, entertaining thing. That is very satisfying, guys. Very satisfying. Which I can do it close because all it is this. So guys, see that little black pill? You guys get to see what this black pill does. Ow. Ow, God, I gotta go to the rock. I have to. Walk into this rock. Guys, this thing's sweet. Like, I totally recommend snakes. They're called, like, snakes. I'll show you the guys the package. So if you want to get them, get them. It's alright if your mom doesn't have enough money, but hopefully she does. These things I recommend. Actually recommend these. I usually don't recommend things that are like this. Alright, you guys know the black snake thing? Well, this is a black snake and you don't gotta use the actual, like the fake things. And this looks sweet. This one's the best one I've did yet. Like that snake thing is all crazy. You can just buy one of these, which is like $1. And then, boom, it's done. And then leave turds in your driveway. They're not actually pretty. Alright guys, talk to you guys later. Bye!